Okay, what's up, guys? It's Matt Connor again. Today I'm doing a double upload. So I have been grinding for my Blitz tickets. I spent no money, and I've ended up with 40 Blitz tickets. And today's Saturday. You might see this later. And so we go to Blitz set. It is currently 2:30. We got the Night Train Lane still, and we got 7 Pro Pack Bundle Award winner and Thanksgiving pack. And I was wondering what to decide and to do with my Blitz tickets, and I decided to do this. And I am doing 2 7 Pro Pack bundles and 1 Thanksgiving pack. Right now, currently, there is a Sean Taylor in PAX Legend. We really want to pull him. So I started off easy with 1 7 Pro Pack bundle, then a Legend pack, and then the Thanksgiving pack, and then another Pro Pack bundle. So let's start off with the first Pro Pack bundle. Remember, this is all you have to do is just grind, and then you get all this. All you have to do is just grind, get your Blitz tickets. Here we go. First one, we get 25 contracts. Alright. We get an 82 Denoris CRC. Next Pro Pack. 15 contract. 81 Ray Maluga and a 74. 74 Ronnie Staley. Next Pro Pack, we get 15 contracts. We got Muckier Clates and Jonathan Cyprin. Next Pro Pack. Ooh, we got rookie legend Steve McNair. I might go for some coins. This one, I'm going to do my nose. See what does my nose have with me? This is 78, but it's ultimate chemistry. Okay, 25 contracts and Jermaine Gresham. Remember, this is all just free, just grinding. Here we go. Last Pro Pack in this 7 Pro Pack bundle. And more trash. So let's go on to the Thanksgiving pack. Okay, 200 contracts. Mac and cheese. Julius Peppers. Will Fuller. Elite Pull. Mike Daniels, 86. First Elite Pull of the day. Anquan Bolden, Justin Forsett, Tracy Porter, and corn and some stuffing. Let's get on to the next 7 Pro Pack bundle. Okay, here we go. Here are the last packs. 10 contracts. Trash in that one, 77. 10 contracts, 77 halfback. $76. $20 contracts, 81 Levante David. $78. Thought we might get more elite pulls than this. Looks like packs are dry. I am recommending not to open up packs today. Warning not to do this 7 Pro Pack bundle. And this is my last Pro Pack. Just gotta go slow on this one. An 80 Kyle Fuller. No Sean Taylor, right? Man. Well, please like, subscribe, and catch you guys later. Peace.